I on time like.
All right, guys. So now let's get into creating a thumbnail for your video. Now, there's things that you need to know about thumbnails. Okay, thumbnails is literally what people are going to see when they come to YouTube and they look for a video to watch. So you want your thumbnail to be something that is easy to read, high quality picture, and something very unique. All right. Doesn't have to be the best thumbnail in the world. Doesn't even have to have like all of this stuff on there. It can literally be a picture of you with your name or whatever the video is about. Now, I'll give you a couple examples of what that looks like. So let's go to Wesley's channel here, Wesley Virgin. And let's just go to his channel. And I want you guys to just pay attention to his thumbnails. So as you can see, it's very simple. You know, pray to get your desires sooner. And he just has a picture of some praying hands with a picture of him. This is very easy to do using Canva. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But let's go ahead and just make a quick little thumbnail here. So there's two ways that you can make thumbnails. You can either do it for free, which is make it yourself, or you can pay someone using Fiverr, or you could pay me and my team to develop you a thumbnail. But all you have to do is come to the website of canva.com, which is canva.com, canva.com. All you want to do is type in YouTube thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. All right, and then it's going to give you an option to pull up a thumbnail. Then it's going to give you tons of templates. Okay, so tons of templates. So let's say we want to make a video about meditation. All you have to do, if you're using the free version of Canva, you do need to look for this little mark. If it has like the little dollar signs down here at the bottom, as you can see, that means paid. That means Canva Pro. If you sign up for Canva Pro, you can access all these templates. But just for a free account, you still get a lot of different choices. So let's say we want to make a video about meditation. So all I would have to do is click on a template. Let's use this one here. Then what I want to do is just change what this says. Okay, we can keep the colors the same. Let's change what this says, right? So first, let's get us a picture. So we'll go to photos and let's just type in meditate. Right, so you see you have a variety of pictures that pull up here. So let's just use this picture right here. Okay, so the colors blend in nice. All right, and let's just change this. All right, let's just put how to meditate. To manifest faster. Or you can title it whatever you would like. So let's stretch this out a little bit so we can get that just like that. All right, and then at the top, let's just go ahead and put like subscribe. Let's subscribe. And you can either keep this here or let's just delete that. Okay, let's just delete the whole group. Now we have a thumbnail, right? Something very simple, very easy to do. If you want to get a little more technical, you can upload a picture of yourself. You can just add a picture and let's just blow this up here. And then all you have to do to bring this picture to the back is just right click and then put send to back. And it'll just pop a picture of you there. That if you wanted to add a picture of yourself, but let's go ahead and download this. So we'll download this thumbnail. After you download it to your computer, all you're going to do is just go back to your YouTube channel. So you go back to YouTube, hit your little icon up here, go to your channel. Then all you have to do is come here to create, go to upload video. All right, so after you get to YouTube Studio and you're ready to upload your video, all you have to do is click select files. Just want to pull up your folder with all of your videos, wherever you keep your videos at. You just want to be sure to click there. So let's go here to videos. And I'm just going to I'm just uploading a video for an example for you guys. So let me just post this up. So we let that load. Let's go ahead and cancel that there. So now it's saying that the upload is complete. So all we have to do is come here to upload thumbnail. Click that. It's going to go to pull up our thumbnail here. We just double click that and bam, you have your thumbnail uploaded onto your video. And it's simple as that, you know, so make sure that whatever you title your video, you want to make the title of your thumbnail the same thing or at least similar, and make sure that it's easily legible and has some type of picture that has to do with the content that you are posting.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing.